morning, friends. Today is according to Malayalam calendar, Vrchigam 1, Vrchigam 1st. And this is a time of people who are going to Shabarimala. And the focus is on Ayyappa. Who is Ayyappa and what does it mean? The word Ayyappa means father of five things. I stands for five. Appa stands for father. Father of five things. Father of five things stands for father of five elements. Or in other words, we call Panchabhuta. The father of Panchabhuta is Ayyappa. So when we say father of Panchabhuta or five elements, he can be called God only. Because God is the father of five elements. God only created the five elements. With all the five elements only, the whole world is created. And Ayyappa is a symbol of five elements. When symbol of five elements, or in other words, we call Ayyappa as God only. So, God is telling us, Ayyappa is telling us to take lessons from all the five elements. All the five elements is a symbol of Parupakaram, or in a sense, all the five elements are for not them, for the whole of humanity, for the whole of creation. The creation is benefited by all the five elements. All great qualities you can find in five elements. So first of all, one of the elements is Akash or ether. So what is the nature of Akash or space? The nature of space is that it has so magnanimity, lot of magnanimity. The magnanimity of the space is that it is ready to give space for everything in this world. The whatever space we acquire in this world, it is because of the compassion of space or the compassion of Akash. So Akash is giving space for everything to exist. So everything is existed in the space only. So the space has that much magnanimity for everything, for the whole of creation. So let us learn magnanimity from space. That is a great quality we can learn from space. So after Akash comes Vayu. Vayu, or in other words, we can call it air. Now without air we cannot exist. So we are existing because of good air. So good air or oxygen. Oxygen enables us to live on this planet. And we cannot live on other planets because of the absence of oxygen. So we understand the relevance of oxygen when we reach another planet. There you cannot live. There you cannot exist because oxygen has that much value. And that value you feel when you reach another planet. On this planet you cannot find the importance of oxygen or air because we have that. There is abundance of oxygen here, but in the other planets there is emptiness in the case of oxygen. So let us learn from oxygen or air that we have to give air for others. That air stands for our appearance and our behavior, our character. Regarding our character, let us be as valuable as air to others. Let us give that much air to them, that much space to them, that much oxygen is something which gives life. So let us give life to our fellow beings for their living. Let us help them always. Martin Luther King said, the most important question in our life is what you do for others. Let us do something for others. That is about air. From air we can learn Parupakaram, or from air we can learn how to help others. Then the next is Agni. Agni stands for fire. Without fire, how can we live? So fire only helps us to live in the sense we are cooking food for eating. Without cooking we cannot eat. For eating we need cooking. For cooking we need fire. Not only that, fire is needed for even within our body. Without fire, there is no question of anything happens. So a fire is within us and without us. The whole world is running out of fire, running with fire. Out of fire, the whole world becomes a big zero. So fire is helping us in that level. So in the same way, we must have certain fire within us. That is our potentials. If we can draw our potentials, come out with that fire of potentials, we can become great artists in life, we can become great poets, we can become great men in the world because of the fire within. So let us make use of the fire. Then next is water. One fourth, or we say in the body we find 3/4 water, and only 1/4 is rest. So 3/4 of the land is also water. So without water, there is no life. So life itself started from water. That's why we call about Matsya Avatar. Matsya Avatar is something, life begins in water. The symbol of life is water only. So let us think of water and water as an agent of help only. So let us help others in terms of water. Learn helping attitude from water. Then finally we come to earth. Earth is where we live, and earth is productive because of all the 5 elements putting together. In the earth you find all the 5 elements together. There is a chance for Agash, chance for air, chance for Agni or fire, chance for water, and chance for earth. Everything mixed in the earth. Earth, you get a combination of all that. So let us learn from earth also. Earth is a symbol of patience. So let us learn patience from earth. So all these 5 elements is instructing you to become a good man, to be a good human being. So the father of all the 5 elements you can call Ayyappa. So Ayyappa is also telling us to be good in life. And there is an equality which find with Ayyappa. Whenever we reach the place of Shabarimala, everybody calls each other as Swami or Ayyappa. So you call other person also Ayyappa, that person will call you Ayyappa or Swami. So you are Swami, the other person is Swami. So equality is prevalent in the place of Ayyappa. Ayyappa, everybody is Ayyappa or Swami. That is an equality which we find there. Regarding that attitude, we are above everybody. So, thanks for listening.